So I just walked in my shop and I see Matthew's working on a project here. He's got a restore right here that he's working on. Not sure the restore number, but it's got a frozen power head. So we pulled off a motor off of our racks in the back. It's got a good power head. We know because we ran that motor. He took the power head off and he's got 3 out of 5 bolts broke off. So we tried extractor tools and none of that worked. So what Matthew's come up with is to try to drill out the 3 broken ones. Here's one, here's another one, here's another one. And we drilled them out and he's tapping them. They're 1/4x20 bolts. So he's drilled out with a, what size bit?
13/64.
13/64 bit, and he's using a 1/4x20 NC thread. So Matthew, what do you think the chances are this is going to work?
50-50.
50-50. That the problem is drilling the hole in the center to get it to match up when you try to put it on. But Matthew's so far successful on the first one, so we'll check his progress, see if it works out.
Yes, sir.
Go for it, Matthew. It's got to match up with this. Actually, we have to take this plate off of the frozen power head and put that plate on that one, so the holes have to match up here. While Matthew's hard at work doing that, we got Brandon over here doing the easy work, doing the listings. Got a nice fan on him with air conditioner. There's the part that he's listing right here. Hey, Matthew looked like he's through threading. Let's see if we pick the right tap.
Yes,
Works?
Yes, sir.
Cool. 1 down, 2 to go. So what we're doing, what Matthew's come up with doing is taking a flap sander and sanded down the bit, the broken bolt down to the metal, and then taking this center hole punch and getting right in the center to find the center of that. So you got 1 down, 2 to go, Matthew.
Yes, sir.
We'll check back with you in a minute. All right, let's check on Matthew and Brandon, see what's going on in the shop. How's it going, Matthew?
Pretty good. I got another one drilled out.
You got nothing?
And it works. This one. It was this one.
All right. Still 50-50?
Yes, sir.
All right.
1 left.
All right. Let's check on Brandon. Brandon, what you
Taking pictures of these items to list on eBay.
Taking that picture. You got a photo studio. How many pictures you take?
4 of each item.
4 of each item.
Yes, sir.
Look at this. A pair of high school kids hard at work, making money.
Yes, sir.
They just both came back from a week's vacation in Florida. Now, you remember, if you watched my previous video, they made these Team Mike shirts. That was awesome. I was so touched. And then immediately afterward, they took a week off. Are you doing rubber mounts?
Yes, sir.
How much you get for those rubber mounts?
We never sold one like this, or I haven't yet, so I'll check on eBay, see how much they go for.
Matthew?
$20.
$20.
Yes, sir.
Matthew handed over the eBay business to Brandon about, I don't know, 3 or 4 weeks ago. And he's doing good. Our sales are up. How much, Brandon?
About 70%.
70% sales up since he come to work. So I invested a little money in payroll before this happened, but shop's looking good.
So
You got it all done?
not yet. Just
Working
gotta
on
grind this one down and tap it out.
Working on number 3.
Yes, sir.
All right, going to check on the boys again. Here's my pigeon chicken farm. Rabbits. Let's see where the boys are at inside here. How's it looking, Matthew?
Good. This thing broke on me again, so I had to fix it again.
Oh, your center punch?
Yes, sir.
So you're drilling the third one out now?
Yes, sir.
What size bit you starting with?
I think it's a 1/8.
That's correct.
Bit keeps sliding down.
It drifts. Yeah, that's
So
really needs to be done on the drill press, but we're giving it a shot. He's got his center hole punched, but the drill drifts on you.
I don't think this one's gonna work out too well.
It drifted too much?
Yes, sir.
Let's see. Oh yeah, it drifted all the way to the side. Wow.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we're gonna have to work on that one. Matthew, now that you got those holes tapped and drilled, you're gonna have to explain to me how you're gonna make this work.
So I have an adapter. I took this adapter off of the motor, the original power head.
The one that's frozen.
Yes, sir. I took that adapter off, and I had to put the adapter on this one right here. And in order to do that, I had to take this little cover off, so that way this fits on there. Not sure if it'll work, but it's worth a try.
So what you're actually figuring is that the older motor uses that adapter plate, and they modified it to the next year and went with that other adapter plate, but you're thinking this adapter plate will work on that
Yes,
motor.
sir.
Wow. All right, well, give it a shot. We'll see.
Yes, sir.
Here we go. Matthew, what is going on now?
So these screws, they're corroded in there, so I'm gonna have to use the extractor tool and try to get them out.
Wow. Matthew, I have dates to meet. This motor is promised to a customer and you're taking too long. Come on, Matthew, get with it. We need production.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, Matthew's going for it with the extractor now. I think we've used every removing tool technique that we know how on this project.
Oh, broke the head.
Broke the head off?
Yes, sir.
Oh, just like those others, the heads break off and now you're left with the bolt in there.
Yes, sir.
Oh. Oh my God. Are we gonna give up, Matthew?
No, sir.
All right, let's keep going. Okay, Matthew, you were removing that that bracket. What'd you come up with?
Yes, sir. So this right here, I tried taking those screws off, but the heads just broke off. So I'm gonna have to flatten these down right here and make sure they sit flush so that I can put this on top and see if it works.
All right, let's see if that works.
Yes, sir.
All right, Matthew's grinding down those studs. Now we'll see if the adapter plate fits. Is
It
fitting?
won't.
Won't
This
fit?
right here has this little groove thing, and it doesn't line up. No match.
So after all that garage engineering, looks like the power head swap out is not gonna work. Oh well, it was fun while it lasted. What's the next move, Matthew?
Find another power head outside.
All right, and what we gonna do with it with all these other parts?
list them on eBay.
There you go. We turn this one over to Brandon. All right, I'll catch y'all up when Matthew goes get the other power head. All right, just another day at the shop. One motor at a time.
Yes, sir.
I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Au revoir mes amis and laissez les bon temps rouler.